In this video, I'm taking you through 2 awesome side hustles that you can start right now with $0 and without any fancy college degree or skills. I'll explain how these hustles work and give you the nitty-gritty details on how to make them successful so you can hit your goal of making $1,000 a week. Side hustle 1. First up is selling printables on Etsy. If you've never heard of a printable before, don't worry. This is something almost anyone can create, and you don't need any design skills to get started. A printable is basically a digital product that people buy, download, and print out themselves. Think of things like daily planners, budget trackers, wall art, or even greeting cards. Once you've created a printable, you can sell it over and over again without having to do any more work on that specific item. This makes it a great passive income stream. To start, the first thing you need to do is choose your niche. A niche is a specific type of printable that you're going to focus on. It's important to pick something that you're interested in or passionate about because you'll be spending a lot of time creating and promoting these products. For example, if you're someone who loves staying organized, you might focus on creating planners, to-do lists, and calendars. If you're into home decor, you could create printable wall art. The key here is to pick a niche that has a market, meaning people are actively searching for and buying these types of products. The trick here is to head over to Etsy, type in your niche idea, and see how many other sellers there are, and how many units they're selling. You want to go for a niche that doesn't have a crazy ton of sellers, but has a healthy amount. You don't want it to be crazy saturated, but you want to think, oh, okay, there are thousands of people interested in these types of products. There's potential here. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start designing your printables. Now, if you're not a graphic designer, don't worry. Canva is an amazing tool that makes designing super easy, even for beginners. Canva has a ton of templates that you can customize with your own text, colors, and images. To get started, head over to Canva's website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, use the search bar to find templates related to your niche. For example, if you're creating a budget planner, search for budget planner template, and you'll see a bunch of options pop up. You can click on any template to start customizing it. Change the colors to match your style, add your own text, and maybe even throw in some fun graphics. Once you're happy with your design, you can download it as a PDF, which is the standard format for selling printables. Personally, I think Canva is great and easy, but there are alternatives you can check out. Adobe Spark is another user-friendly tool with more advanced features if you want to get creative with your designs. You can even use Microsoft PowerPoint to create simple designs if that's a tool you're already familiar with. Now that you have your printable ready, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. If you don't already have an Etsy account, you'll need to create one. This part is pretty straightforward. Etsy will guide you through the setup process. You'll need to come up with a shop name, and while it's tempting to spend hours on this, don't overthink it. Just pick something simple that reflects what you're selling. For example, if you're focusing on planners, a name like Organized Life Printables could work well. Listing your products on Etsy is where you need to put on your marketing hat. Each listing needs a title, description, and tags that will help people find your products. Your title should clearly describe what the printable is, like Daily Planner Printable, Minimalist Design. In your description, make sure to explain what the customer is getting, how they can use it, and why it's awesome. For example, this minimalist daily planner is perfect for staying organized and keeping track of your daily tasks. Once purchased, you'll receive a digital PDF file that you can print as many times as you like. Tags are important because they help people find your products when they're searching on Etsy. Think of keywords that people might use to search for your product and include those as tags, like daily planner, digital daily planner, and so on. Once your listings are live, it's time to promote your shop. Etsy has built-in tools for running ads, which can help get your products in front of more people. But you don't have to rely completely on Etsy. You can use social media to drive traffic to your shop as well. Pinterest, Instagram, and even TikTok are great platforms for promoting digital products. For example, you can create a Pinterest board dedicated to planners and post your printables there with links back to your Etsy shop. Over time, as you get more traffic and sales, you can look at what's working and make adjustments to improve. If you're looking for an alternative to Etsy, you could also try selling your printables on other platforms like Gumroad, or even directly on your own website if you have one. Side hustle 2. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing through blogging. Blogging might seem a bit old school, but it's still a powerful way to make money online, and it's especially great if you enjoy writing or sharing information. The basic idea is that you write content around a specific topic, your niche, and within that content, you recommend products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of this side hustle is that, like selling printables, it can generate passive income once your blog is established. The first step in affiliate marketing through blogging is choosing your niche. Again, this is really important because you want to pick a topic that you're interested in and that has potential for affiliate sales. For example, if you're into fitness, you could start a blog about workout routines, healthy eating, and fitness gear. If tech is your thing, you could write about the latest gadgets, software, and tech tips. The key is to pick a niche that has products people are interested in buying and that you can genuinely write about. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. There are plenty of platforms to choose from, but WordPress is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly options. You can sign up for a free WordPress account, but if you're serious about making money from your blog, it's worth investing in a domain name and hosting. This will make your blog look more professional and give you more control over your site. Once your blog is set up, choose a simple, clean theme that's easy to navigate. If WordPress isn't your thing, other alternatives like Blogger or Wix are also easy to use, especially for beginners. Wix, for example, is more drag-and-drop oriented and might be easier if you're not familiar with website setups. Now comes the content creation part. Start by brainstorming a list of topics that you can write about. These should be topics that are relevant to your niche and that people are searching for online. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might write posts like 10 best home workout equipment for beginners or healthy meal prep ideas for busy people. Each post should provide value to your readers, whether that's through helpful tips, reviews, or how-to guides. If writing isn't your strong suit, don't worry. There are AI tools like Jasper or ChatGPT that can help you generate ideas or even write portions of your blog posts. For example, you can head over to ChatGPT and ask for a list of blog post ideas in the fitness niche. Then you can pick an idea and you can ask ChatGPT to write the blog post for you. Just make sure to edit the content to make it your own so it has a personal touch. Within your blog posts, look for places where you can include affiliate links to the products or services you're recommending. To find affiliate products, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Commission Junction. These programs have a huge range of products to choose from, so you're bound to find something that fits your niche. For example, if you write a blog post on the best home workout equipment, you can include links to the equipment you're recommending where people can make a purchase on Amazon. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you'll get a unique link for each product you want to promote. This link tracks any sales that come from your blog, so you get credit and paid for any purchases your readers make. To drive traffic to your blog, SEO, or search engine optimization is your best friend. SEO is all about making sure your blog posts show up in search engine results when people are looking for information on your topic. You can do this by using relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and throughout your content. There are plenty of free tools like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner that can help you find the best keywords to use. As well as SEO, promoting your blog on social media can help drive traffic and get your content in front of more people. As you start getting visitors to your blog, you'll want to keep an eye on which posts are performing well and which ones aren't. This will help you improve your content strategy over time. You can use tools like Google Analytics to see where your traffic is coming from and which posts are getting the most clicks on affiliate links. Over time, as your blog grows, you can experiment with different types of content like product reviews, tutorials, or even video content. Starting a side hustle like selling printables on Etsy or affiliate marketing through blogging might seem overwhelming at first, but by breaking down the steps, it becomes much more manageable. Remember, the key to success in any of these hustles is consistency and learning from what works and what doesn't. With time, patience, and a bit of creativity, you can turn these side hustles into a steady stream of income. What do you think about these side hustles? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.